Paulit-ulit ang utos. Anak, bakit kaya kahit nag-hire ka na, parang trabaho mo pa rin lahat? Nagtataka ka kung bakit kahit na may katulong ka na, ikaw pa rin ang pagod, ikaw pa rin ang paulit-ulit na nagbibigay ng instructions? Ang hirap, di ba? You're doing your best to lead, pero parang walang nagbabago kahit na anong gawin mo. Ganyan ang naranasan ni Joan, owner ng isang eatery sa bus terminal. And every time she hired someone, she would end up saying the same things again and again. Ganito maghiwa, ganito mag-serve, pakilinisan yan. And her staff would nod, but after a few days, they would still make the same mistakes. Others would lose motivation and they would eventually leave. Until one day, Joan realized, hindi tamad ang mga tao niya. Wala lang talaga siyang malinaw na sistema. So, she created a simple onboarding plan. And this is how it looks like. Day 1, tour and orientation. Day 2, cooking and cleaning routines. Day 3, shadowing while serving customers. Day 4, order taking and cashier training. And by day 5, she stepped back and simply observed. The change was amazing. In just 2 weeks, her new staff worked confidently, cooking, serving, and managing customers without her hovering. So Joan finally felt relief. Grabe, she thought. May katuwang na ako. And anak, eto yung lesson. Onboarding, hindi siya hassle. Nakakatulong yan sa'yo. You see, it's the bridge that turns confusion into confidence and burnout into balance. Kaya, let's be business-minded, Pinoy.